AerWay Advanced Aeration Systems, the fast, effective, low-cost way to deep tine aeration. The AerWay family of tines includes the Shatter tine for deep soil aeration, the Sports tine for season-long venting aeration, the Fine tine for spot venting aeration every day, the Super Fine tine for thatch management, and the Coring tine for top dressing, overseeding, and dethatching. One of the leading causes of sports turf injury is soil compaction. It also leads to poor turf grass development, weed pressure, standing water, and bare spots. Therefore, compaction relief must be a priority maintenance practice for today's sports turf manager, who is ultimately responsible to provide a safe and playable field environment. AerWay's advanced aeration system offers a low-cost method for effectively reducing compaction all season long. The original AerWay Shatter tine breaks down the compaction layers 7 inches and deeper and establishes the natural capillary action in the soil profile. Here's how the Shatter tine works. As the tine passes through its vertical down position, the twist and lean of the tine cause it to move away from the outboard wall of the entrance cavity and force it against the inboard side, not only moving the adjacent soil laterally, but with the twist of the tine causing it to act like a small spade, lifting the soil. The result is a resilient field that will percolate water and utilize fertilizer more effectively. This will lead to better root development and stronger top growth, reduced bare spots and less standing water, decreased weed pressure, and lower turf maintenance costs. The AerWay Sports tine is a venting aeration tine capable of penetrating up to 6 inches deep. Venting does not remove soil from the turf, but it maintains infiltration by creating channels for water and oxygen to be delivered deep into the soil profile. This aids in relieving stress during extreme heat and increases the evaporation rate in excessively wet areas to balance the soil moisture for optimal growth. Venting aeration should be accomplished every 10 days to 2 weeks to reduce compaction, maintain infiltration rates, and prevent dry spots. With the AerWay Sports tine, this can be done quickly and effectively without any disruption in field use, even if it's game day. A soccer or football field can be vented in less than 20 minutes. Sports tine, fast, effective aeration where you need it, when you need it. Fine tine is one of the other venting tines in the AerWay family. It has a different profile for finer turf applications, but it retains all of the benefits and advantages of the Sports tine. The Fine tine was developed for use on rhizoid-type grasses and sand-based fields. Both the venting tines are available on 5-inch spacing. The Super Fine tine was designed and developed for thatch management applications. It is intended to provide fast, effective venting aeration through the thatch layer. This will maintain infiltration rates and enhance percolation through the thatch layer between verticutting and coring treatments. Venting tines should be used in conjunction with the smoothing roller. This option not only ensures immediate playability, but also allows the sports turf manager to vary the penetration depths in increments of less than 1 inch. Venting aeration depths should be adjusted to suit the circumstances and the time of year. The AerWay coring tines are specifically used for top dressing, overseeding, and dethatching. They are 3/4 of an inch diameter by 4 inches long and available on 4, 5, or 6-inch centers. I use the AerWay on a regular basis for venting purposes. The play of the game and routine maintenance cause surface compaction, reducing the amount of air that reaches into the soil. By constantly opening the soil, we are able to improve playing conditions with minimal soil disruption. We use the AerWay to bridge the gap between coring cultivation to keep our field at the top of its game. Greg Elliott, head groundskeeper, San Francisco Giants. Any of the family of advanced aeration system tines from AerWay are available in a variety of frame sizes and styles from 45 inches to 15 feet in width. Tractor mounted or pull type. Fixed frame or adjustable roller offset. All of the frames are equipped with appropriately sized water ballast tanks as standard equipment. The pull type frames can also be fitted with an electric hydraulic power pack if needed. Choosing an AerWay is like designing your own aerator. Simply decide on your frame style, select the appropriate tine, and add the options you want. AerWay Advanced Aeration Systems. Fast, deep, low-cost aeration for a safe and playable field.